teacher said, don't just guess, look around, see it yourself. If your eyes can see it clear, that's real truth, that's right here. Rain falls down, ground gets wet, that's not talk, that's proof you get. What you see, hear and feel, that's how we know what's real. Not what they see, not what they feel. What we test is what is real. See it to believe it, yeah, yeah. Test it, repeat it, yeah, yeah. If it shows up every time, that's the truth, that's not a lie. See it to believe it, oh. Try it, then you know. What we see, what we prove, that's empirical truth. Do it once, do it twice, same result, that's real nice. If it changes every day, that's a clue to walk away. Science checks again and again, same answer, and we can say when. Truth don't hide, truth don't bend, it shows up in the end. Not one story, not one view, truth stays strong when tests come through. See it to believe it, yeah, yeah. Test it, repeat it, yeah, yeah. If it shows up every time, that's the truth, that's not a lie. See it to believe it, oh. Try it, then you'll know. What we see, what we prove, that's empirical truth. Feelings talk, facts stay calm. Feelings change like weather storms. Facts don't shout, facts don't fight, facts stay true both day and night. If I'm sad, that's how I feel, but the clock still ticks for real. Feelings matter, yes they do. Facts need proof to be true. Use your eyes, use your ears, use your hands, that's how we learn here. Test it slow, test it fair. Truth shows up when we care. See it to believe it, yeah, yeah. Test it, repeat it, yeah, yeah. What we measure, what we find, helps our heart and helps our mind. See it to believe it, oh. Truth will always show. What we see, what we prove, that's empirical truth. Don't fear questions, don't you cry. Truth walks with those who try. Look again, the proof comes through. See it to believe it, yeah.